Right, here we go. This is question 14 from exercise 5.05, and it's another example of where to apply simultaneous equations. So let's have a little look at the question with a highlighter and highlight some things. So the context is a referendum. People vote in referendums. We're told there's that many people that voted, 1.5 million. And there were two types of vote, a yes vote and a no vote. But we are told that the yes votes had a majority of 290,888, which means they had 290,888 more votes than the no vote. So I'm going to go through and show you how to set that up and solve it using simultaneous equations. Now, I know there are other ways of doing that. We can, if I subtract 290,808 from 1.562, whatever, divide it by 2, I'll get the no vote. If I add the two together and divide it by 2, I'll get the yes vote. And I know some students will see that, others may not. So what I'm going to do is just look at it algebraically and use simultaneous equations to solve the problem. All right, so what we have is, first of all, the total number of votes. And I'm going to use Y for yes vote, N for no vote. And we find that the total of these votes combined is 1562604. So I'm setting up that equation right there. I'd like to just put the commas in to show where those divisions are. But that's an equation that I've created, and that gives me, in other words, the number of yes votes plus the number of no votes in total come to that. Now, the next equation is a little bit trickier. Remember, what that is saying is that the yes votes are 290,888 more than the no vote. So the way of writing that is to go this way. We go yes is equal to the no vote plus the 290,888. Excuse me, I sneezed on video. That's not good. So there it is there. So just look at that majority. Remember, it means more than. So this is an algebraically way of saying the yes vote is equal to the no vote plus that amount. All right, well, we are set up now to actually solve this by using a substitution. I will show you another way as well, but we're going to go with this just straight up because that seems the most obvious. So I'm going to make a substitution, and using the substitution method, so wherever there's a Y, there it is, I'm going to replace it with N plus 290,888. So that's the substitution. Let's go and do it. So wherever there's a Y, so I'm looking at that top equation now. So instead of writing Y, I'm going to write N plus 290,888 plus N is equal to 1562604. Okay, so notice here that if I grab my highlighter, that bit come right from there, it has replaced the Y. So if I click the N's together, you can see I've got 2N. That's really messy. Let's tidy that up a little bit. 2N, and then I will subtract 290,000 from both sides of the equation. So let's grab a calculator and do that. 1562604 minus 290,888, and we get this amount over here, 1271716. That's 2N. And then to work out what N is equal to, we divide that by 2. And we get that the no vote is 63585. Where are we? 58. All right, so that's the no vote. But if you look at the question, it's got how many people voted yes. So what we're actually trying to find out is that. So all I've got is the no vote. Now we can work that out because the two votes together add up to that. So really the yes vote, oops, that's the wrong pen. The yes vote is therefore equal to 1562604 minus the no vote, 6358558. and that will give me the yes vote. So let's do it on the calculator. 1562604, and we do the subtraction, and we get 926,746. So that's what we were after. We're after what the yes vote was equal to, and there it is there. So we're done. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see the whole thing there. We've got yes vote, no vote, and the problem is solved. Now, I did say there is another way of looking at that, and that gets me directly to the yes vote. So I'll grab all of this and copy it, and I'll start somewhere else. So I'll copy that, and I'll paste that down here, and we'll start again. Let's move that over. So this is what we had. Let's rub out some bits that we don't need. All right, so this is what we had. Now, what I'm going to do is just rearrange the second equation and make n the subject. So if yes is equal to no plus that, then no is going to be equal to y minus that, simply by subtracting 290,888 from both sides. So n is equal to y minus 290,888. Okay, so just rearranging it, have a look at that, make sure that you've understood what's happened there. Effectively, what I've done is I've subtracted 290,888 from both sides, and then just swap them over. I've done two things in the one thing. So just make sure you're comfortable with that. Then we're still going to make a substitution, but instead of replacing the y's as we did before, where the substitution I'm going to make now is for the no. So this part here is going to replace that n. So we'll go and do that. So y plus, now I'm not writing in, okay, looking at the top line, I'm going to write y minus 290,888 is equal to 1562604. Collect the y's together, I get 2y, and then I'm going to add 290,888 to both sides. So 290,888 plus 1562604, and we get 1853492, and we divide both of those by 2, divide it by 2, and the equal sign is yucky, and get 926746, and that gets me straight to the y vote, which is thankfully the same as what we had before. All right, so either way will work. There's not much in it in terms of work-wise. Maybe the second method is slightly quicker to get you directly to that, but we've got to do a little bit more work at the beginning. So there it is, that question done using simultaneous equations.